Good morning. My name is Nuno. I'm representing Pissamala from Mozambique. This project started some 6 years ago with the idea to create homemade fountain using solar pump. Today, Pissamala have got a shop in the third province selling different solar solutions. Our main product is solar irrigation system, but also we have got solar lamps and solar lighting system. Pissamala is working to empowering communities through the introduction of solar maize meal and solar aeration to fish growing. Less than 5% of total agricultural land in Africa is irrigated. And in sub-Saharan Africa, we have got around 6 million people that are smallholder farmers. They use one season, low value crops, and very low productivity, very high irrigation cost. Pissamala looks to help them with the irrigation system to move from 1 hectare to 3 hectares, from one season to 3 seasons per year. Those irrigation systems have got very low maintenance, and combine it with sprinklers or drip irrigation can save water. One very big example is in Tete province, where we help to eliminate the moving of 20 kilometers per week for one small farmer from Kawarabasa district. They now use solar irrigation system, do not have to move 20 kilometers per week just to buy fuel. Just only 20% of the total labor force in Mozambique is not working in agriculture sector. Over 6.9 million of hectares, just only 7% is using any kind of irrigation systems. Those data are from Inquérito Agrícola Integrado. Today, Pissamala is working with some NGOs and some farm associations like União Provincial de Camponeses, EFDC, we worked for the solar level flourish, and have supplied over 40 kits of solar irrigation system. We have got some competitors in the market, but mainly they just used to sell solar pump and solar panels, different from Pissamala that is selling all the irrigation system, complete irrigation system with the irrigation hose and solar cables, connectors, and so on. From the lighting system, main of the competitors, they are located in Maputo. Here in Tete, we have got just only one competitors. Pissamala is using to participating in fairs, but also go to the rural area to make the demonstration of the irrigation system to small farmers and farmers associations. We hope to introduce the PEGO system in Tete province, but also we are working to introduce the solar irrigation systems to displaced people from the coal mining project. Pissamala is working with some companies. We can see on the left side, all the companies are based in China. And we may use the Augusta Group to logistic from China to Mozambique. And we are looking to introduce some more companies that we want to work with them to supply different products. The big challenge is to reach the small farmers. Then we want to introduce the partnership with the microcredit Gapi to have financing them to reach the solar irrigation system. We hope to introduce the PEGO system and try to test some models like water as a service in small associations. We want to see if it is going to work to promote the solar irrigation systems. By the end of September 2025, Pissamala is investing something like 10,000 US dollars to buy 15 irrigation kits of 2-inch pump that is hot selling here in Tete. But also we need to improve the demonstration site. We would like to introduce the fish tank with the solar aeration system, increase the 2-inch solar pump or system, and also introduce the solar maize mill here in Tete and in Mozambique. For the solar maize mill, we'll like to have the own production line because we hope that we can reduce the purchase costs and increase the profit margin. We estimate that the selling of 3 kits per month, we can reach the break-even point. It is going to help us to pay the operation costs from the shop and also for the demonstration site. Our team, we have got 2 full-time workers and we have got 2 part-time workers. And we have got 50% of the women employed in the company. The company have got 1 woman in the direction. Thank you for your attention.